24/7. We are in Achievers MCQ series on retail banking and wealth management, and today's topic is objective questions on credit cards. So very important because credit card itself is an important topic in retail banking. Okay, so follow the video till the end. Firstly, download Adda 24/7 YouTube channel on your mobile. In this channel, you will be getting, in this app, you will be getting firstly premium study material, plus live classes, plus ebooks, plus tests. So whatever you require, you'll be getting in this app. So download Adda 24/7 app right now without fail. Also subscribe to Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channel. In this channel, you'll be getting two things. Number one, all the updates on JAIIB and CIB, and number two, you'll be getting the free YouTube series on all the subjects. Here, the present YouTube series which you are watching right now is free YouTube series. It's available on Adda 24/7 YouTube channels. Okay, so click on the bell icon, subscribe to it. These are the two new batches just now started. Join them ASAP. All the four subjects PPB, IFS, AFM and retail banking and wealth management are covered. Selection batch we call it. Okay, this is a long batch, so join it ASAP for May 23 exam. Remember, 80% off is going on, plus double validity on Mahapacks. Now double validity on Mahapack means what? 15 plus batches per subject. So join it ASAP. Use the code Y432. More on this, how to use this code, I'll show you at the end. So let's start with the topic. The first question is, what is the credit card? A plastic card which, number one, contains identification information, authorizes named person to charge purchases or services, charges for which the person will be billed periodically, and all of the above. Now understand one important point over here. Contains identification information. That is obvious. Means your card, for your card only you should be billed, and nobody else should purchase on your card. Point number one. Named person here means what? Here it means bank. Okay, bank or the card issuer. See here, why is it said named person and not specifically bank? Because remember, credit card can be issued by the bank or a private party also. Any private person can issue the credit card. Got it? Even you can issue the tomorrow a credit card if you have that much capital as per the RBI norms. Okay, so contains identification information, authorizes, let's say, the bank to charge the purchases or services, charges for which person will be billed periodically, and all of the above. So what is the correct answer? What do you think should be the correct answer? Is there identification details on the credit card, or is it possible that for your purchases I will be billed, or for your purchases someone else will get the billing? Not possible, no? That's why A will be the answer. What would be? It authorizes the bank to charge for purchases or services. Means if I purchase, the credit card will be from, let's say, SBI. If I purchase this card on this card from SBI, then SBI will definitely charge me if I don't pay it on time, right? Charges for which person will be billed periodically. So that's also correct. We call it a billing cycle, isn't it? Okay, I'll write it over here. Billing cycle. What do you mean by billing cycle? Billing cycle means it means there is a specific date on which this credit card will always be billed. Up to that time, during that month, if you purchase anything, that will be billed into this cycle. Okay, so the correct answer is yes, D, all of the above. In which card transactions by cardholder accumulated over a period of time, generally a month, and the total amount is charged debited to the account of the card of the cardholder. So in which card is it done? Means here it's like this. Suppose if the billing cycle is 5th of, what is this? This is March, right? So 5th of February to 5th of March. Okay, if this is the billing cycle, it means what? Whatever I purchased during this month or year, it will be billed on 5th of March. Okay, so this is the meaning of this question. It gets accumulated and it is billed on the last day of that billing cycle. So in which card is it done? Debit card, credit card, smart card, member card. So what is it basically? See here, Debit card means what? It's directly debit, means debit directly, means it is attached to the savings account. So there is nothing called as accumulation of the bills. So debit card is out. You understand debit card? See here, if I am having the savings account and I am using the debit card, whatever is the balance in my savings account, it will be used up to that amount only. Okay, so that is out. Credit card is the answer. Why? Because in credit card, as I told you earlier, we do this full purchases are done at POS, not cash. Remember, no cash. No cash is withdrawn over here. If I withdraw the cash, then the billing cycle does not apply. Suppose let's say this is 5th Feb and I withdraw it on 20th Feb. So immediately from 20th Feb, the interest rate will start. It won't be starting at the end of this billing cycle. Okay. Then smart card is totally different. And member card can have its own features. Member card means what? It's related to someone private company. Means suppose if let's say some shopkeeper gives you a member card, so he or she can definitely use whatever features they want. Okay, but that's not a universal thing. So credit card is the right answer. The charge cardholder is given about dash days time to credit his account in case there are insufficient funds in his account at the time of debit. Okay, so as I told you, see here, the question is like this: 5th Feb to 5th March. Okay, 5th March. Okay, this is my total billing cycle. On 5th March I will be billed, and up to what time can I pay this amount? So then it comes 20 days ahead. 20 days. Okay, so it comes to 25th of March. So if I pay up to 25th of March, then I won't be charged any interest for this duration. But if I lose out on this, if I don't pay on 25th, I pay on 26th, then also I will be charged starting from 5th of March, not from 25th of March. If I miss out on this date, I will be charged from the 5th of billing date. Okay. So the credit card holder is given dash days, about dash days to credit his account in case there is an insufficient fund. So how many days are given to this credit card person? 10 to 25, 15 to 35, 20 to 50, and 25 to 5. What is this? What can be the answer? See here, I'll give you one simple example. Here you are getting minimum 20 days. And what is the maximum duration? What is the maximum days for which I can get the free period? Suppose let's say I'll give you an example. I purchase on 6th of Feb over here, 6th of Feb. Then when is my billing cycle? Type fast in the comment section. If I purchase it on the 6th Feb, when is my billing cycle? It is on 5th of March. So how many days I am getting over here? I am getting 30 days over here. Almost here. February is 28 days. That's why. Otherwise, take it for March and April. So you are getting what? 31 days over here, right? So 30, 31, let's say roughly. So let generalize this to 30 days. So here I am getting 30 days plus here I am getting 20 days. Means after this billing cycle. So how many days am I getting? I am getting 50 days. So if I purchase immediately after the billing cycle, suppose if I purchase on 6th of March, I will be billed on 5th of April, isn't it? So here I am getting again 31 days. So the days come out to be 20 days is the minimum duration and maximum duration is what? 50 days. So the correct answer is C, 20 to 50. Got it everyone? Clear? Type yes in the comment section. Everyone. Dash is the person who has accepted the payment through the credit card for services rendered or goods sold. Means what do you mean by this? Dash is the person who has accepted the payment. Who has accepted the payment? Suppose if you have a credit card, you go on and swipe it on, let's say, some petrol pump. So what is that petrol pump person called? Or you swipe it in some mall, okay, shopping mall. So what is that person called? Merchant bank, merchant, card holder, card issuing bank. Understand? Merchant bank means what? The mall holder who swipes that card, the machine that he is having, POS machine we call it. This POS machine is of that merchant bank. And what is that person called? That person is called as merchant. So if I shop it in any mall, so that mall will be called as This mall will be called as merchant. Always remember this, okay? Which type of fee is collected by the banks for credit cards? So what is the fee they are collecting? Annual fee, annual interest rate, processing fees for EMI conversions, all of the above. So what is the fee they collect? How many of you have credit card? Type yes in the comment section. How many of you have credit card? Yeah, in the comment section. Very few, right? So correct. See here, where almost everyone should buy a credit card as a banker, at least it's a duty, so that once we know what is a credit card, only then we'll be able to explain it to others, isn't it? If we have not experienced it, how will we explain it to others? So what type of fees are collected by this credit card companies? Annual fee, is it collected? Yes, it is collected. Annual interest rate, is it collected? Yes, it is collected, subject to, see this, AIR is collected if you don't pay on time. See this, I'll write it over here. If you don't pay on time, okay, then the AIR is collected, annual interest rate, otherwise it's not collected. Processing fees for EMI conversions. Now this is also collected. What is processing fee for EMI conversion means? What? Here, if I have to pay on, let's say in earlier example, let's say I have to pay on what, 25th of March some payment, right? Whichever I have purchased up to 5th of March, I have purchased it, so I'll have to pay it on 25th of March. So if I don't have money, in that case what will happen? I'll be converting these whatever purchases I have made. Let's say I have made a purchase of 50,000 over here, 50k, okay? So if I have made a purchase of 50k, what will I do is, I'll convert this 50k into 3 years EMI or 2 years EMI, depending on the period, 2, 3, 1, whatever years it EMI, okay? So this amount I'll be paying in EMI, and for this, the processing fees for the EMI conversions will be charged, and also the interest rates, okay? So the correct answer is D, all of the above, okay? Now before going ahead, see this batches, selection batch, PPB, IFS, AFM and retail banking and wealth management, all the 4 subjects are covered. So join it ASAP, because exams are just now nearing. In May you have the exams, okay? This will be roughly the last long batch. Afterwards we'll be having the short batches. So join it ASAP. Detailed studies you will have it over here. 80% off you are getting, 80%. Plus on Mahapacks you are getting double validity. 15 plus batches per subject. That is Mahapack. Use the code Y432. Never forget this code, okay? At the end I'll show you live how to use this code. Identification information on credit cards can be read by. So who can read the identification information? Means what? There's a chip, right? On that on the card over here we have this chip now, golden chip we have, okay? So this chip will be used, this will be used for reading. Who can read it? ATMs can read it, yes. If I go and withdraw the cash on the credit card, okay, of course I'll be the foolish person if I withdraw the cash on the credit card, because withdrawing cash on credit card should not be done by any person. Remember, do not withdraw cash from credit card, okay? Why? Because the interest starts immediately. There is no billing cycle to cash withdrawal on credit card. So this credit card can be information, this yellow chip can be used by can be read by whom? ATMs. Point of sale means that machine which I swipe in that these all malls, right? Nowadays swiping is not there. Nowadays we have all Wi-Fi machines, isn't it? Just put it over there and done. So that is called as POS machine. So B is also the answer. So both A and B are the answer. Branch manager cannot read it at all. No human being will be able to read this, whatever is written on this chip. Otherwise what will happen? There would be huge frauds, okay, in the credit card business. The concept behind the credit card is, so this is very important question from exam point of view. Credit card is what? Use now, debit later. Buy now, pay later. Pay now, get credit later. Lend now, do not reimburse. So what is the correct answer for this? Concept behind the credit card. Okay, what is the concept behind the debit card? Let me get it first. Debit card is what? Debit card I'll be using only up to the amount I'm having in my SB balance. Okay. Once my SB balance becomes zero, I won't be able to use this debit card at all, isn't it? So this is debit card means what? Buy now, BN I'll write it. BN, PN, pay now. Buy now, pay now. Okay. So credit card means what? Use it in this sense only. BN I'll write it over credit card. Okay. BN, buy now, and PL, pay later on that last date, right? At that time I have to pay. So BNPL, buy now, pay later. That is the answer. B is the answer, right? Everyone? Type yes in the comment section if you have understood up till now. Everyone got this answer? How many of you have got it? Type yes. Everyone, type fast. What is a debit card? So debit card, just now I told you, as it is we have the savings account balance, only up to that amount I can use it. So is it a mobile purse? It automatically debits cardholder's account, allows withdrawal up to the credit balance in the account, and all of the above. So what is a debit card? Now many of us have stopped using debit cards, isn't it? Do we use debit cards now? We use all that UPI now. UPI, right? Scanning, isn't it? So that has replaced these debit cards. Even credit cards have been replaced by UPI. Okay. So up to the time the credit card companies come up for scanning UPI, they won't be able to compete with UPI at all. That's an important point. These credit card companies need to gear up. Okay. So what is the answer for this? What is the debit card? It's a mobile purse. Yes, mobile purse. Means what? What is there in purse? What do you mean by purse? You have money in that purse, right? So similarly over here also you are having mobile purse. In that card or debit card or even that UPI nowadays, okay? So it's a mobile purse. I can use it, scan it wherever I want and purchase it. Automatically debits the credit and the cardholder's account. Yes, it is related to savings account, isn't it? So it will automatically debit it. It allows withdrawal up to credit balance in the account, only up to the credit balance. This is very important. Remember, if I am having in my savings account, let's say 1 lakh rupees, so I can purchase anything up to 1 lakh. If this goes down for 10,000, so I can purchase only up to 10k. If it goes down to 0, I won't be able to purchase anything. This can't go in negative. Remember, debit card can't go in negative. Okay. So the answer over here is what? Yes, D, all of the above. Right. Now let me come to these batches. Okay. Use this code Y432 as I told you. How to use this code? Remember, this code will give you 80% off. Okay. Let me show you live. Okay. Let's go to Adda 24/7. Okay. One second. Let me go to Adda 24/7 live. Let me bring in the site. Okay. If you are having the app, I would suggest go on the app. Okay. In the app, I would suggest it's the best because you are getting 1% extra in the app. Now, how to use this code? Let's go to Adda 24/7 live. Look at this. Adda 24/7. You are here. Okay. Say this. Now, once you are here, remember. Look at this. So, click on the front page. You are on the front page adda247.com. Click on JAIIB and CIB. Now you'll see JAIIB, CIB Mahapack, CIB 23, JAIIB 23. Click on JAIIB 23. Once you click on JAIIB 23, you'll see the batches over here. Look at the batches. Okay. So click on this English batch, JAIIB selection. Okay. Clicked. Now you'll see the details of the batch. Means what are the dates, what are the timings, all these things are given over here. What are the study plans, everything is available. Okay. Important ones I'll tell you, the important ones are recorded videos are available 24/7. So if you miss out on any class, any day, you can definitely get back to that class because of the recorded videos. Okay. So 2 interactive classes are there. So it means what? You can ask the questions there and then itself and clarify your doubts. Ebooks are available, right? So ebooks means what? You need not carry those whole books, hard books over here. Okay. You can read through the ebooks. Tests are available. Okay. Now let's look at the fees part. 19,999. Click on view offers. Put the code Y432, click on apply. Now look at this, 80% off you are getting. 80% means what? 19,999 reduces to 3,999. Such a huge discount. This offer won't last long. Buy it ASAP, okay? Because one, it is for your future life, and second, 80% off is going on. Instead, I would suggest you can go for one more advantageous product, that's called as Mahapack. Go for this JAIIB CIB Mahapack. On the front page itself, click on JAIIB CIB, you'll get it, JAIIB CIB Mahapack over here. Now you click on this, see this. There are two Mahapacks available for JAIIB. One is JAIIB ka Mahapack and second is JAIIB CIB ka Mahapack. I'll tell you the advantage of JAIIB CIB complete Mahapack, because important part is, if you clear JAIIB in May 23, this year only, okay, what will you have? Once you clear this in May 23 over here, see here, you can use the remaining pack for CIB, because this is valid for 12 plus 12 months, 24 months, right? So within 6 months if you clear, you have 18 months remaining, right? So you will be getting this advantage of using the same package for CIB also. You will get the details. See this, 15 plus batches for PPB, IFS, AFM and Retail Banking and Wealth Management, 15 plus batches for ABM, BFM, ABFM and BRBL. Case study batches are available, ebooks are available, full and mock tests are available. So you get everything. Let's look at the fees part again. Okay, of course recorded videos are available. 53,996. Click on view offers, put the code Y432. Click on apply. Look at this. Again 80% off means 53,996 reduces to 10,799. My God, 80% off and 24 months validity. Go for it immediately. Why? Because the portion is new. Everyone remember, the portion is new. The subjects are new. You have 4 compulsory subjects. Okay. So do you want to see? See here, many of you might be knowing by now, isn't it? So 4 compulsory subjects. Go for this immediately. Okay. See this. Let me show you. 4 IFS, PPB, AFM, Accounting and Finance, and Retail Banking and Wealth Management. Out of that, IFS and this 1 number and 4 number are totally new. So that's why you will be needing someone who will guide you. So that's why join the batches immediately. Negative marking has been removed. So that's a good sign. I'll be back tomorrow with another series. Till then, bye.